They are one little one.
Wait a minute. Look, guys, we're down at the creek, and we're going to try it in the creek with the little mepps now. So, got one. Got me one out of the creek. What is this? Nice little smallmouth. Ow, buddy, hold on. Calm down. Let him go. There you go, buddy. Get back in the creek. Got one. What's a fat belly out of the creek? God, that one's busting. He's been eating good. And I'm up in the tree, but a nice little smallmouth in the creek on the mepps that's hanging in the tree. We'll try to get us another one. And Brandon's go, what a panfish. That's a big warmouth. Mepps catches everything.
Yep.
Look how pretty that is. Look at the color on it.
Yep.
See. Nice one out of the little creek. These little number 2 mepps, guys, they catch everything. When you use one of these, you can wade up a small little creek, you can go down a river, any kind of little stream, and you're going to catch fish on these. And they're actually fun to catch. So let's move on, see if we can get another one.
Got one.
And we're being attacked by pigeons.
Well, guys, I got him on the number 2 map.
And he's a trophy.
And it's a trophy.
Oh God, let him go right here. Watch it, he'll stir the water up so much he may muddy it up. Go, buddy, go, go. He's like, why did you put me in where it's so shallow? And that's my turn. If I can sniper cast. Ugh. I got me one. Oh gosh, he's won't take drag on me. Here he comes. Watch out. What a jump! God. Yeah. And it just threw water out of my face. Said, you freak, quit doing that. Yeah. Let him go. Let's move on up. Like the Jeffersons. Moving on up. Buster Buck. In the rocks. For a big water snake. I'm going to guarantee you that you'll catch one right here. Guarantee. That's fish.
Missed one.
Did I call it?
Yes,
I called it.
Giant warmouth coming out.
I called it. I didn't call it. I called it. I guaranteed it. You caught one. And that's my turn.
There's a smallmouth up there. He missed it, and this guy came up with it.
Oh, I got one. I've got one taking drag.
Oh, what a smallmouth. Pretty big for the creek.
I know. Oh my gosh, get out of there, buddy. Come on. Hey, balls. Yeah. Eh.
This is mine.
Creaking them out.
Video.
Well, That was a little confusion after catching all them little ones. Catch a nice little chunker like that. Put him in the water. Get in there. There you go, buddy. This little baby creek has got some good did you see that thing come charging? I wish I had the GoPro. Had to get the GoPro on while I was fighting it. Sure is a tire that's been laying there that long, and a tree has grown through it this big. Tell me tires ain't good for nothing. They're excellent things. Well, the people's got those junk out in these creeks. Look at this. Need some foam to put down for your bed. You go right through there and walk the road back.
I hit where they were. Well, didn't get the fight, but
got another warmouth. Got something to remember. If you get you into these little baits like these little spinners right here, these little mounts, something you want to do is get you a swivel and put on it a small swivel. That keeps it from twisting your line. Things like rooster tails and these little mounts, they'll twist your line if you don't watch it and destroy your line on your reel. Ain't that right?
Yep.
And they've also got amusement park up there.
Is that not what it sounded?
That's what it is. Did you hear them roll out there? Heck yeah. Didn't think you'd skip them, did you? I want to go up there and get on the amusement park at that house. They're not going to bite.
Did you hear that?
What?
That one said I got hurt. She said no wonder you got hurt.
I got hurt on this homemade roller coaster, Mommy. I wish you'd bust your rumpus. I'm not. Why would I want to jerk?
Hold on.
Thank you. Pigeon Bridge. Pigeon Bridge. Pigeon / bird bridge. Bird, it's getting ready to come a massive storm. And thus,
So far up this big
up this creek, crack. Some people call it a crack. Up this crack. Look underneath that crawdad. No, it's a leaf. Scratch that. We better be going.